Many unique species of animals live on the Great Plains of Saskatchewan. Some are small and some are big, but every species brings a unique role to the prairie ecosystem. All species, including plants, play a vital role in the biodiversity of an environment, with many different species contributing to a healthy ecosystem. In short, plants are food, with different species of grasses, flowering plants, trees, and shrubs growing on the prairies. Many different animals eat these plants as their food source. Plants can produce their own nourishment using a process called photosynthesis. Because of this, ecologists refer to plants as producers. Tall grasses and shrubs dominate the prairie landscape. Different animals, called herbivores, eat the various plants that grow on the prairies. With specially designed adaptations, different herbivores are suited to eating certain types of plants. Animals like deer, rabbits, rodents, and bison are all adapted to living off prairie plants. Fun fact, an adult bison needs to eat about 40 pounds of food a day. As animals that eat plants, herbivores are also known as primary consumers, as they are the second level in the food chain. But there are animals that hunt and eat herbivores. These are carnivores. Instead of eating plants, their main food source is other animals. Some animals, like mountain lions, hunt alone by ambushing their prey. Others, like wolves, hunt in packs and chase their prey down. These two animals are predators, who hunt their prey. Some carnivores will eat animals that have already died. These are called scavengers. While mountain lions and wolves are fierce and impressive hunters, the most common predator on the prairies is the coyote, a small relative of the wolf. Other predators include badgers, foxes, weasels, and birds of prey. There are also animals which eat both plants and animals, called omnivores. Bears are a good example of an omnivore, and people are also a good example of an omnivore. Both carnivores and omnivores are known as secondary consumers, as they are the next level of animals which eat the primary consumers. Some animals, like wolves and bears, are at the top of the food chain in their ecosystems. These are known as tertiary consumers, or apex predators. When these animals die, their bodies are broken down by various bacteria, fungi, and even small animals like insects. These organisms are called decomposers, as their nutrition comes from decomposing dead plants and animals. These organisms help return nutrients to the soil, which help future plants grow, and the cycle continues. We usually think of plants and animals being in a relationship called a food chain. Here's an example. Grass grows, a rabbit eats the grass, and a coyote eats the rabbit. It's very simple, but it's not quite how it works. There are other plants which the rabbit may eat. There are other animals, like deer and bison, which will eat the grass. And there are plenty of different predators which could eat the rabbit. The interconnection of all different species of an ecosystem is known as a food web. When an ecosystem is healthy, every relationship between the plants and animals works. However, if there are too many or too few of a species, it can cause these relationships to fall apart. This is why supporting healthy ecosystems is so vital to the survival of many species. With proper conservation and education, Saskatchewan's prairies will survive and thrive for many years to come.